cannot live here. the sitting out area?
The spa area.
Oh, the spa.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought they all did.
Mm-hmm. Well, I know these all do, but I don't think the Polynesian all have them. But these all have them, and I like that you have that space. Like you're next to another cabin, but you have significant space.
I like that it's screened in.
Mm-hmm.
Still kind of outside.